Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to buy the PepeFork Meme Coin. It's easy to get this token. Open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com, link in the description of the video. Once you're on coinmarketcap.com, simply scroll down till you find the contract address for this token. As you can see, it's an Ethereum contract address, so we're going to be having some Ethereum transactions, so make sure you have your Ethereum. And when you scroll down and head over to the market section, at the market section, you'll find the exchanges where it's being traded on, and we have Uniswap and we have Mexi. So for your centralized exchange, Mexi is what we're going to be working with, and for the decentralized being Uniswap. So guys, your next step is to minimize and open up a wallet of your choice. And in this case, I'm going to be working with the Trust wallet. MetaMask works the same. Any wallet that works with Ethereum transactions would work with this tutorial. So open up your Trust wallet or any wallet of your choice. And once the Trust wallet has opened up, make sure you have some Ethereum. That's the mainnet Ethereum. To locate this Ethereum, simply search for Ethereum. And you'd find that we have the mainnet Ethereum here, what is highlighted. Click on this Ethereum. If you do not have mainnet Ethereum, simply click on buy. So click on the buy option, and you'd find that you can pay with your Google card. You can also pay with other methods when you click the drop down and select Visa or MasterCard. So guys, enter an amount of Ethereum you wish to buy and click on buy with Google Pay, and you have purchased the Ethereum. With that in mind, head over to your Uniswap, which is at the browser icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, simply scroll down till you find the Uniswap exchange. It will be in the list of popular DeFis. So click on Uniswap exchange. And once you're on app.uniswap.org, click on connect, select wallet connect, and click on select wallet. And you'd automatically connect your Trust wallet to the platform. So click on continue, and boom, our Trust wallet is connected. Like I said, make sure you have some Ethereum. With your Ethereum in place, click on the select token option, paste the contract address of this token, which is the PepeFork. Once you've entered the address, click on PepeFork, click on I understand. And now you can simply use your Ethereum, let's say 0.0025. So guys, once you've entered the amount of Ethereum you wish to buy the Pork token, simply click on swap. And once you've clicked on swap, the Ethereum will then be converted into the Pork tokens, which will then be deposited in your wallet. But guys, as you can see, there's a gas fee which is really high of $5.05. So in order to avoid such high gas fees, simply head over to the centralized exchange in the video, which is Mexi. With your Mexi downloaded and installed, click on Mexi. Make sure you have an account on Mexi. If you do not have an account on Mexi, use our link in the description of the video so you stand a chance to claim 1,000 USDT worth of welcome bonuses. So guys, you're on Mexi with a verified account. How can you get yourself some of the meme pork? Head to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, click on the deposit option, which is just here. Click on deposit, and you'll be met with the option to deposit via crypto. So make sure you either deposit crypto that can be converted into the USDT or simply buy the USDT. To do this, click on the fiat option at the far right at the top. Click on buy crypto, and you'll be taken to a page where you could easily add your MasterCard details and purchase the USDT via your local fiat currency. So let's say you have some euro, you can buy 1,000 euros worth of USDT. If you're from Canada, pounds, or US dollar or Canadian dollars, anything you need to get yourself some of the USDT based on your region is here. So simply add your payment option and click on buy USDT. So guys, once you've done this, once you've gotten yourself USDT, click on the trade option at the bottom of the screen where we have Savamp USDT. Click on this Savamp USDT and simply search for Pork. That's PORK. Click on Pork USDT. Select the trading style. Instead of using limits, we're going to be making use of market because market helps us buy the coin at the current price. So if the price goes up or goes down, we get to buy at any of those points. Enter an amount of USDT you wish to use, and then simply click on buy pork. Once you're done, you'd find the pork tokens on your spot wallet here after a simple reload. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.